And welcome back to Tatro Machine.
You're asking about cases all being the same looking.
Yes. I was comparing a knucklehead left side case
To a column.
72 shovel.
Which is the same as an Evo.
Same as the Evo. And they look the same.
But different than that.
Different than that.
But not that much different.
Not really.
But they are different. Twin turd. Like I told you, the 45 case, they're almost identical. '45, '30s, '40s, '50s. Big brother, small brother.
Yeah, just a little smaller.
And they line up.
Look at that.
Motor mouse.
Jeez.
Center hole. Deck's a little lower, a little bit smaller, but it lines up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember I told you I put the 45 case onto the pan case?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They're pretty close.
Man.
Not much different, Harley. 1930 through 99. Not a lot of changes. You take your knuckle case. Your shovel Evo case. They bolt up.
Perfect. Let's do it.
They pretty much bolt up.
They sure do.
Bolt holes are the same spot, more or less.
I like it.
Motor mounts are different slightly, but not much.
All right, we'll just
Same bore, same bolt pattern.
punch the VIN in this side right here for me, and
This
we'll
bolt
call it
pattern
a day.
this bolt pattern goes back to 1930. This bolt pattern.
Man.
Flathead bolts up on there too. So if you go grab those flathead cylinders, they'll bolt onto that combo right there.
Really?
Yeah. Hello.
Oh, it's Frankenstein time.
Hello. Yes. Yep. Shoot. Try that. What was that?
See if I can do this without breaking anything. No.
You're going 12.8 and 5 ring. And you rev it up, it should go up. Hopefully to 13. 10 means it's not working.
Yeah.
I don't know, I put a meter on there and check with a meter. Yeah. I'd take a voltmeter and put it across the battery post and see if the 12, what voltage the battery's at, and then rev it up. If it goes up a little bit on the needle, then it's working. If it doesn't move or goes down, it's not working. Turn it 90 degrees. That's the rear.
Mm.
Checking voltage. A fully
What's
charged
going on
battery
here?
should be 12.7, 12.8 volts. The discharge needs to go down to 12. If it's an 11, it's a complete discharge. If it's at 10 volts, it's super discharge. Like nothing there. And when you rub the bike off from idle, it should
It's like it's
move
off
up
just a little bit.
That's what you're looking
But that might be a problem with
for.
the
All batteries
studs.
should be over 12
So,
volts. 12 volts is like 40% power.
alright. Well, we can make a shovel knuckle flathead.
I don't know if the gauge is good or bad or not. I would think the gauge would be good. The difference is a dead idle. And then
This
your
port case right here has a crack right there.
Okay, that means doing something.
And another one right
I
there.
don't care. I'm saying it's going up though. When you
And one right there.
It's putting out some power. The gauge is wrong. So most likely, it's got a little water resistance somewhere in the system.
Well, it needs a little bit of work.
So go get a real meter and check with a meter. Put on voltage. Put on voltage. Usually like 0 to 50 or 60 volts. Just hook it up. You see the number lines up to 12 somewhere on the gauge.
All right, well, we'll be back because the phone keeps ringing.
Motor.
I would have figured it out.
That's a knuckle shovelhead motor. You can try to put a flathead cylinder on it. It bolts right on.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I've messed with something
And that's
like
a rear
that.
cylinder, line of front. I told you that. Yeah, turn 9 degrees sideways for some reason. I don't know why you want the valves going through the motor mounts, but
It looked like fun.
okay, perfect.
Looky there. The knuckle shovel flat. Love it.
Still 74/80 inch. Been on bore.
Perfect.
But it's like my airplane motor. Nothing lines up from here up to here though.
That's the problem.
Nothing lines up at all. But it bolts together.
It does. So it'll look nice in the garage.
Yeah, you can mix and match all kinds of Harley stuff. Doesn't matter. You can mix and match and play around and do all kinds of oddball junk. Called having fun.
Yeah. The fact that it all lines up just blows my mind. That's crazy.
Yeah, it fits in the frame when you're done too. Yeah, amazing.
Even better.